I got myself a new mic. What's up, guys? Will with F1 Tech. So, before we get things going, I want to start off by talking about you guys. I just hit a milestone, not a big milestone at all, but nonetheless, it's a milestone. I just hit my 100 subscribers, and I just want to thank all of you guys who've been coming on the ride with me with this channel and supporting me. So I want to thank you guys. I think on this video we're just gonna I just want to show you guys my whole setup, my studio tour, as we would say. So I got myself a new microphone. It's the MXL 990 Blizzard Edition. Nothing really that's different from the original 990. It's just aesthetics. It's white. I love that. I love the color. It's matching my whole theme here. And it's got these blue LEDs that let you know when you got the phantom power on, which is pretty awesome. It's a condenser microphone. I picked up this MXL shock mount. They come in champagne, so I just spray painted it myself white so it can match the whole theme. So why I did this? Well, before my videos had the mic either boomed up top or below. It was a shotgun microphone. Either I used the Rode NTG4 Plus or the Rode Video Mic Pro. Well, I kind of wanted just to change things up, use a condenser microphone, be more, I just feel like it's more personal when I have it right here. It's like I'm talking to you guys. It's weird, but it's just that feeling I get. So I want to keep this the way it is. And I'm going to move the Rode NTG4 Plus to what I'm going to call the Red Alley. And the Red Alley is going to be our spot where we do our unboxing, where I'll take my B-roll shots. We're going to do the product reviews. This right here is going to be this kind of format where I'm talking to you in my studio. This is just going to be the introduction where I'm going to explain to you guys what I'm going to be talking about, what we're going to be reviewing or things like that. Or this is going to be my story time setup, things of that nature. So once we're done with that, we'll go into the Red Alley. We'll do our unboxings. We'll have our top-down view. We'll have our straight view of my reaction to what I'm opening, things like that. And then this will come back to this format where I'll give my final thoughts and the outro. So I want to start with showing you guys my studio. We'll move from here, home base, and then we'll move into the Red Alley. I'll show you what I'm doing there, and we'll talk about this microphone. I'll speak on this microphone throughout the entire video. That way you guys can see if this is something that you want to pick up for your videos. It's a great mic. You know, I've listened to it editing prior to this video just to see how it sounds. I gotta see how it sounds, and it's pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and check out this whole studio. Hope you guys enjoy. Lego. Welcome to Home Base Mission Control. Here's where I do my video editing, gaming relaxation, and record my videos. It took many moons to get the equipment I wanted for this setup, so let's talk about them. I have a 4-monitor setup, which might be overkill for most, but I actually use every screen, to be quite honest. Starting with the 2 side monitors, I have an Asus VG275Q Full HD display monitor. They're 27-inch monitors. The way I use these two is pretty much the right monitor is for opening all of my window folders and any game launchers. The left monitor I use when I'm video editing through DaVinci Resolve. I like to use the whole monitor for viewing all of my scopes when editing my videos. The center monitor is my main baby. It's the Acer Predator 34-inch IPS ultra-wide QHD monitor. It has a 3440 by 1440 display with a 21:9 aspect ratio and 100 Hz refresh rate when overclocked. It has a gorgeous display with pretty good color accuracy. I use this monitor to edit all my videos as well as my main display for gaming. And with the G-Sync enabled, it makes viewing and playing on this thing a blast. Now the top monitor is also a beauty. It's the LG 38-inch UC99 IPS Ultra Wide Quad HD monitor. Whew, that's a mouthful. It has FreeSync technology, which is no use to me since I rock NVIDIA, but thought you all would like to know. What I love about this monitor is how big it is and the software that it comes with. It allows me to open multiple windows and lock them to different sections of the screen. I'll use one window for watching YouTube videos, another for recording audio, and another for typing up my scripts for my videos. It's a great multitasking and productive monitor. Now to the PC. I have a Digital Storm custom built Aventum 3 computer. It comes with an Intel i7 8700K processor, overclocked to 5 GHz, 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, an Asus ROG Strix Z370E motherboard, an EVGA 1000 watt Supernova G2 power supply, one 500 GB Samsung 960 EVO NVMe SSD hard drive, two Samsung 500 GB SSD hard drives, one 3 TB Toshiba hard drive, and one 2 TB Toshiba hard drive. I slammed this baby up with a bunch of hard drives. I think I'm going to even get some more. Let's see, I'm rocking two GeoForce GTX 1080 Ti in SLI, all cooled with a Hydrolux custom water-cooled system. I have a love-hate relationship only because of the bad experience I had with Digital Storm. If you want to know more about that, I'll leave a link to a video I made touching on that subject. Moving on to my peripherals. For my main gaming pad, I used the Razer Orb Reaver Chroma with custom wrapped white carbon fiber vinyl. Pretty easy to do, wasn't too hard. Next is my Razer Black Widow Chroma Stealth keyboard, which I custom wrapped as well. Keeping up with the white and red theme, I have a Logitech G600 MMO RGB mouse. This is my main mouse that I use for gaming and for my video editing. Now my second mouse is a Mad Catz Rat Pro S with some slight custom paint and carbon fiber vinyl as well. This mouse is used pretty much when I play any first-person shooters. For my audio, I have the Beyerdynamic DT880 Premium 250 ohm version. These babies are used for monitoring my audio when editing. I have these headphones connected to an Aeon tube DAC amplifier with a Genelex Gold Lion E88C tube. This tube pretty much warms up these bright headphones, giving it more of a neutral soundstage. Now, when I'm not rocking my headphones, I'll jam out with my Bose 5.1 surround sound system paired with a Polk subwoofer. I rarely get to blast these because, marriage. But when I get a chance to, boy, is it fun. I'll let you guys just listen in real quick to how they sound when playing.
It's jam! Give me some help there!
So moving on to the recording studio. Here's where most of my videos are recorded. I use the lights on my ceiling fan as my headlight and two LED lights for my key and fill light. For my camera, I use the amazing, awesome Canon 5D Mark IV. It's housed on a Camtree Hunt Grand DSLR camera cage shoulder rig. This baby is a beast of a rig, which I will discuss in further detail on a later review. For my audio, I am now using the MXL 990 Blizzard Edition condenser microphone. It has a cardioid polar pattern, which means that it picks up audio from the front of the mic in what I would like to call a heart-shaped type pattern. These type of microphones are most commonly used for voiceovers. Now, I have this microphone connected to my Tascam 60D Mark II recorder, which provides the 48 volt phantom power I need to run this mic. This is an excellent recorder that has pretty good clean gain to get the sound I need for my videos. So that's pretty much my main studio in a nutshell. Now, let's check out the newest addition to my setup, which I like to call the Red Alley. Let's go. Welcome to the Red Alley. This is the spot, guys. This is where we're gonna make our unboxing and product reviews. I'll be doing the majority of my B-rolls at this location. Just want to show you guys what I have as far as gear. What we'll do is I'll take this green screen effect for that off. And as you can see, guys, nothing really spectacular, just your normal green screen out there. I have a Rode NTG4 Plus, probably, I don't know, 8 inches, 10 inches away from me. It's on two nightstand or light stands. I have a pole going across, which I use to make the support. On this support, I have a newer ball head mount, and what I'll be doing with that is placing a camera on it. And when we're doing our product reviews, we'll have a top-down view, and on our unboxings, we'll have a top-down view so we can get two different types of shots while we're doing that. In the back, I have one light behind the green screen that's pointed towards the ceiling to bounce off and get that headlight, hair light view or lighting effect. To my left, I got a ring light, and that's to have my main key light on. To the right is a softbox, and that's just for fill light. As far as audio, I have another Tascam 60D Mark II. Those things are awesome for recording. That's connected to the Rode NTG4 Plus via the XLR cable. And so let's go back to the Red Alley. And guys, I'm just pretty much doing this to separate me from everyone else on my niche. You know, it's nothing major. It's just a white table, a green screen, and then me going back and forth between the Mission Control home base studio and this Red Alley type studio, green screen studio. So I hope you guys like it. It's just something that I want to do to you know, spice things up a little bit, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe it'll evolve from there to something else. I don't know. We'll see. And with that said, from here we'll go back to Mission Control, main studio, home base, give my final thoughts on that MXL 990 Blizzard Edition condenser microphone, and I'll leave you with my outro. Let's go ahead and transition. So my final thoughts with the MXL 990. You know, guys, I know that there are better microphones out there. The one thing I like about this MXL 990 Blizzard Edition is that it goes to the theme of what my setup is all about. I can pick a mic that's doesn't sound crappy, and it matches everything that I want to do. It's not only about, for me, it's not only about the quality. It's about the image as well. And the MXL 990 does it for me. My voice sounds pretty good. I don't have to do that much post-processing. You know, I'll probably just boost the sound on it and leave it at that. Good. It's a great microphone. If you guys like the way it sounds, you know, maybe you'll think about purchasing one for yourself. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase it in the description down below. Guys, again, thank you for watching. Thank you for following me on my journey in this channel. I have more things coming. If you like what you see and you're a newcomer, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below with your thoughts. Guys, again, I appreciate every single one of yous, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.